Avalanche value equivalent to $34,773 a coin. The present exchange cost range $34.23 to $2.35.363. The earlier day close $34.4460. The change was plus 0.313 plus 38%. Reverse rate US to Avax. Avalanche estimate for July 2024. To start with, cost at $37.43. Exorbitant cost $46.46, while low cost $37.43. The normal for the month $41.19. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $43.42. Change for July 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset, cost at $43.42. Excessive cost $43.42, while low cost $34.25. The normal for the month $39.48. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $36.83. Change for August 2%. Avalanche gauge for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $36.83. Exorbitant cost $45.71, while low cost $36.83. The normal for the month $40.52. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $42.72. Change for September 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2024. At the outset, cost at $42.72. Excessive cost $53.03, while low cost $42.72. The normal for the month $47.01. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $49.56. Change for October 16%. Avalanche gauge for November 2024. To start with, cost at $49.56. Exorbitant cost $61.51, while low cost $49.56. The normal for the month $54.53. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $57.49. Change for November 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2024. Initially cost at $57.49. Excessive cost $62.65, while low cost $54.45. The normal for the month $58.29. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $58.55. Change for December 18%. Avalanche figure for January 2025. Initially cost at $58.55. Excessive cost $65.15, while low cost $56.63. The normal for the month $60.31. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $60.89. Change for January 4%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2025. At the outset, cost at $60.89. Excessive cost $65.42, while low cost $56.86. The normal for the month $61.08. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $61.14. Change for February's 4%. Avalanche conjecture for Walk 2025. At the outset, cost at $61.14. Excessive cost $66.68, while low cost $57.96. The normal for the month $62.03. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $62.32. Change for spring 19%. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2025. To start with, cost at $62.32. Exorbitant cost $69.35, while low cost $60.27. The normal for the month $64.19. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $64.81. Change for April 4%. Avalanche conjecture for May 2025. Initially cost at $64.81. Excessive cost $69.96, while low cost $60.80. The normal for the month $65.24. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $65.38. Change for May's 9%. Avalanche cost expectation for June 2025. Before all else, cost at $65.38. Exorbitant cost $72.66, while low cost $63.16. The normal for the month $67.28. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $67.91. Change for June 39%. Avalanche figure for July 2025. Initially cost at $67.91. Excessive cost $75.07, while low cost $65.25. The normal for the month $69.60. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $70.16. Change for July 3%. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2025. In the first place cost at $70.16. Exorbitant cost $87.09, while low cost $70.16. The normal for the month $77.20. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $81.39. Change for August 16%. Avalanche conjecture for September 2025. Before all else cost at $81.39. Excessive cost $81.39, while low cost $63.58. The normal for the month $73.68. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $68.37. Change for September 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2025. At the outset cost at $68.37. Excessive cost $68.37, while low cost $53.41. The normal for the month $61.90. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $57.43. Change for October 16%. Avalanche estimate for November 2025. At the outset cost at $57.43. Excessive cost $68.88, while low cost $57.43. The normal for the month $62.03. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $64.37. Change for November 1%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2025. To start with cost at $64.37. Exorbitant cost $64.37, while low cost $53.80. The normal for the month $60.10. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $57.85. Change for December 1%. Avalanche estimate for January 2026. First and foremost cost at $57.85. Excessive cost $57.85, while low cost $45.19. The normal for the month $52.37. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $48.59. Change for January 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2026. Initially cost at $48.59. Excessive cost $60.31, while low cost $48.59. The normal for the month $53.46. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $56.36. Change for February 16%. Avalanche conjecture for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at $56.36. Exorbitant cost $56.36, while low cost $44.03. The normal for the month $51.02. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $47.34. Change for spring 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $47.34. Excessive cost $47.34, while low cost $36.99. The normal for the month $42.86. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $39.77. Change for April 16%. Avalanche conjecture for May 2026. Initially cost at $39.77. Excessive cost $39.